If you think the cows are different from the dogs, think again. If you see some of the videos that the news team and I collected for you, you will see it. There is no difference between the cows, the goats, the sheep, and other animal people. And your pet dog, your pet cat, your pet birds. If they haven't seen you, if the cow person didn't see you for a long time and you came back, he will ram his head into your body to welcome you home. He would sometimes take a risk with other animals or even a poisonous snake to protect you. So many true stories like that. Even a chicken person, the one that you have no second thought of jumping on his little body and enjoying their suffering, blood and flesh. They would love you no end. They have intelligence. They have DNA almost like a human's DNA. I once made a joke with some of my attendants because they were saying a chicken person has DNA almost like the humans. And I said to them, oh, I know a man who has DNA almost like the chicken person. But it's not a funny joke. It's not. It was funny at that time. They laugh. But it's not funny at all. When their life depends on your mercy and you don't show them any. We have so much food to eat.